Great sons, welcome.
Hello.
Have you been here all day? I always think it's very tough for people to survive this long. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the workshop. I know it's a lot. To us, this is everything. A couple of quick things before we begin. If you have a flash, please make sure those are turned off. Also, please don't touch the chambers for safety's sake. And always make sure that your mask covers your nose and mouth at all times. Now, some introductions. Over here we have Petrushka and Jacqueline. Here we have Kavine and Francois. On this side over here we have Alexandra and Michael. And you may call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Good. Excellent. All the way around and even a little bit. Fantastic. We have two. And now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. One who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name?
Ray.
That's right. And if you didn't know, I would have been so sad. Ray is leading right now is the spark of hope we've been waiting for. And that is why you are here. To look ahead. To build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. Let's begin. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber. The Kyber Crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some have called the Kyber Crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future. It's time for you to choose your Kyber Crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brightest. Now open your eyes. And take your Kyber Crystal.
You want rather blue or green?
I don't know. I think green shines brightest.
Excellent. Now take your Kyber crystals and place them in the green crystal holders there in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control. And it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Very here for you, and we will lead you through the process of building in a minute. First, let's talk about what's in the box. From the left, you'll find your chassis. Columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 are pommel caps, and 5 are 2 matched pairs of activation plates. Look up at the gatherer in front of you. They will lead you through this. And so, my friends, let's build.
All right, take your crystal into chassis. Using your back finger, press that spring down. That crystal right inside.
Inside the chassis. And where do I start small here? You're going to push it back on the hole, and then you're going to push it in. And then it should start coming right out. Just like that.
Of course.
It goes in one way.
Excellent. All right, now you're going to set an activation plate. So then inside, you're going to find the red and blue. And that's the red and blue on the chassis. So that blue will go against the blue. Snap in the place. I'm going to show you the stickers inside red and blue. That's the red right there. So like that blue will go against that blue. Snap in the place.
They're also ready to
All right, press that switch for me. Excellent. This little lip here is going to go in toward the center. Give it some pressure and to twist it into place. Hit 2 on your finger. All right. Press that switch for me. Excellent. This copper ring is going to go in toward the center. Give it some pressure and to twist it into place. Take 2 of your favorites. Amazing. So when you have the bolt on there, just use it to spin in different directions. So you have 2 here. You have 2 right there. All right. Next up, your emitter. Go right there. Final step, you're going to use that pommel cap for the end. All right, use that pommel cap for the end.
So it sounds great. Now you just pick 2. You're going to complete. Which one do you like?
Love the final cap. Very nice.
Which second one do you like?
When Kembe says action, then switch right there.
Now that you get to go. One on the top, one on the bottom. You're going to put the golden in first, and you're going to touch this.
Raise your journey complete. Love your final step. Very nice. When Kembe says activate, you're going to hit that switch right there. Okay. Congratulations.
Ooh, yours looks cool. Yours looks very, dark stuff.
It's not stabilized.
How big are you?
And then hold it upside down.
So
I made a lightsaber.
And it looks like you're all done.
Don't touch the chamber.
I love how you went with the old Republic style. I love these symbols too. And it's very fitting that you should have these on your saber. They're on the cover of some ancient Jedi texts, which are, we believe, now possessed to someone who looked very similar to you. Do you know what these symbols mean? I don't either. They're very old. We've been trying to figure it out. And to be fair, they may just be pretty. We don't know. Quite often the Jedi decorate their objects with things that must be meditated on. So it could be like that. Beautiful copper crystal. I love this emitter because it gives you could wear your saber out for it. Because it's not like a teacher's blade that you have to cross draw to clear your body so you can wield it.
better for fighting you.
Master Windu. He created his own fighting style called Apod. Very fierce, very aggressive. He could actually use anger and aggression without turning to the dark side. Yes, he worked very closely with Jedi Battle Master to sing the
It's like coppery.
opera.
They gave me
That's all right. I was wondering, but I like getting rid of the old style. It's good to see the young folks with the older style. The gold medal on that is a special medal. It's called Electrum. It was a sign of prestige among the Jedi. Master Windu had a lot because he was considered the greatest duelist of the Order. This, I think, is the most effective grip out of all grips we have.
What's that?
Because it has kind of switch to it. And when that cross happens, it means those little extra ones.
Whenever my face says activate, you're going to push something in your hand. We're going to press 3, 2, 1.
Like, I wasn't expecting it to be. I got one of it's the old legacy labor. That's back when it was like Luke's and like I'm like, oh, that's neat. I can mess around with that. And I thought it's like, oh, that's going on the wall.
Everyone take a moment. Breathe. You have built the hilts of your lightsaber. And nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. This is the dangerous part. Leave your sabers at your stations, and everyone back up as far as you can, please. Back up, everyone. Right now, the Gallows are going to insert your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This is very dangerous, and it should only be done by someone with a lot of training and expertise. And Francois.
It was one time.
That's all it takes.
You always expect you want me to the back, please.
What's happening?
Well done. Chosen not part with skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
It's Master Sabre. And it is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Sabre is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch, altogether we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your lightsabers. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, keep your lightsaber safe. Keep it close. Your lightsaber is your life. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers were created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
Now, my friends, go forth. Fulfill your destinies. May the spires keep you till we meet again. Here you are.